Hello guys, what's up? I'm very happy you are here still with me. Print the name by which is the maximum goal scorer in UCL club or minimum goal scorer in UCL club. Okay guys, in this video we are going to learn about Vlookup. Okay, this is a formula in LibreOffice. You can find that formula. Just click any of the cell and go to insert function. From here you can find Vlookup at the bottom. Vlookup, where it is, here it is. You have the value that you want to show, that is on the left, that won't work, so we need to take it to the right. So just give a equal sign and name. Okay, drag it and drop it. Okay, that is how it's all. Give an equal sign. Vlookup, we are going to show who scored 689. 689, where it is, you can see 689, it is goal scorer Messi. But when you have large data, you can't find that who scored that. So what we can do, the process is very simple. Just click on the search criterion. You can see the suggestion here. Search criterion will be what we are looking for. We are looking for this value, who has this value, and give a comma. You can see comma, and now select the array. We are going to select the array after this name property. Just select like this. Okay, comma, and short order. You can see we have uh, we have 5 column inside our purple box. Now we are going to select this name column. This is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. That is what called short order. Okay, let's select the column 5. Now you can give 0, that is false, that means it is not actual value. When you give false, then it's actual value, so you can give 0 or 1. Let's do it by using 0. Okay, you can see the goal scorer is Messi, which is correct, totally correct. Here you can see. Okay, just go to the bottom corner. When your cursor will be plus sign, then drag and drop. You see this two value is not working. This is the common problem you can face. Double click on it, you can see your this red box is moved to the down. So what we can do, when your mouse cursor will be like this, just take it to the top. Okay, press enter. Still not working. Okay, just give a equal sign. Vlookup. Here at the first column, highest criterion should be the first column. Okay, that means we are going to select this on 78, where it is. It is inside there, international goal, most international goal. Okay, we are going to select this international goal 78. This one, copy. Now this time we need to select the index from this column, because this is the first column we are looking for. Okay, that means this should be, this 78 should be in the first column. Okay, comma, and 1 to 3 we want the result from third column. Okay, this should work now. Yes, it's working. Total goal scorer you can see in the second last column. So what we can do, just give once again vlookup second last column. Here it is. Okay, comma, Now index comma 2. This we are searching the result from the second column. Okay, there it is. You can see this is how we can print our result. Okay, we can see our result name. Now in next video I'll show you how you can use graph for this chat. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Okay.